Hey guys, quick video here on how to replace ink cartridges on EPSON WorkForce WF-3520, which is similar to WF-3530 and WF-3540. Just those two have an extra tray, but the process is pretty much the same. Usually when you have ink cartridges that are empty, a message will appear on the screen and you'll just select to replace ink cartridges. But sometimes you want to do it earlier if you feel like you need to replace ink cartridges that are maybe out of ink. If you have aftermarket ink cartridges, you feel like they're empty and they're not putting any color out. So that's what I'm here for. That's what we're going to do. A couple ways that you can do that. First, we're going to go press right arrow button and we're going to go to the right to setup. We're going to press OK. Then we're going to go down to maintenance and then down to ink cartridge replacement. In order to continue with the ink cartridge replacement, you're going to press either black and white or color button, start button, and then it's going to ask you to open the top cover. Going to go ahead and open it. The ink carrier slides over to this position, and then you can remove the ink cartridges, whichever you need to replace. But make sure when you put the new one in, make sure you remove any packaging. So this cartridge is not from this printer, but just to demonstrate, you need to remove this packaging, of course. Usually it has a little slot here that you can tear. Remove it out of this. And then one thing that a lot of people miss sometimes is removing this air hole cover. So it's usually going to be in yellow or orange color. You need to make sure you remove it. As soon as you do that, there's an air hole right here, and with that, if it's blocked, the ink will not go into your print head. So make sure you do that. On aftermarket ink cartridges, if you buy it off Amazon or eBay, and if it's not genuine EPSON brand, there's going to be that air hole cover on the bottom. It's constructed slightly different from the genuine EPSON ink. So, and then when you're all done with that, like I said, this is not from it. This is a 200 ink cartridge. We need a 127. After you remove the packaging, the air hole cover, you're going to go ahead and slide it in there and close this cover here. And then you can just go ahead and close the top cover. You will see on the screen that it'll say checking the ink cartridges. And usually if it goes to this screen right here, which says that yellow it needs to be replaced, let's check that out. I probably didn't see it well, or another reason would be that it's empty and I just took it out and put it back in, and now the printer doesn't want to accept it. There we go. Let's wait for that. So if it gets to that message, you can just go, really you need to, the printer won't work unless you have a good cartridge in there. In my case, I just want to show you how there's another way that you can get to replacing an ink cartridge. So I'm just going to go ahead and bypass this. I'm just going to say remind me later. And the other way is pretty much the same thing. It's just that it's just another option that you can take. So you can go to setup again, and then you're going to hit ink levels and go ahead and to proceed. In this case, it's telling me that yellow is bad, and then you're just going to go ahead and select cartridge replacement. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and lift the top, and this will slide over here, and you can replace the ink cartridges that way. So that's how you replace the ink cartridges. Or if you were looking for this, I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment in the comment section below if you have something to say. In any case, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.